Okay guys, I want to introduce you to jack. This is a miter jack, actually patterned after one of the old tools that came from the Royal Forge in France. But this part moves back and forth. You can also do 90s with it as well as 45s. It's clamped to the bench between the holdfast and the tail vise. And let's just show you here. You put this piece in here, you clamp it in, and just one little trick here, you can add a little bit of alcohol and water, 50-50 mix, and you just put that on the end grain of the piece that you're planing. And now we can plane this, and it planes beautifully, obviously. Okay, now the 45 version. As you can see, you just put this piece in here, like this. You can either use a block plane, or you can use a full-size plane as well to work with. Another cool thing about jack is it has a little thing here that you can release or engage, and that enables you to be able to clamp. It pulls out another little piece right here, enabling you to be able to put 22.5-degree angle pieces in there. Ah, look at that. So I'll show you how that works. Okay, so now we can put our piece in here at 22.5 degrees, clamp this down, and look at that. We can just plane that and make a beautiful 22.5. So this piece is movable in and out. Perfect.